how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. So let's get started. So first of all, there are some ways due to which the issue might have come up. So if you have linked your Snapchat to any third-party application recently, then what you gotta do is simply delete that application or simply unlink that application to your Snapchat. So once you unlink that, the issue would be resolved and you'll be able to log in. However, if the issue still persists, head over to settings and then you gotta head over to general, click on iPhone storage, and here you gotta search for Snapchat. Simply click on Snapchat and here click on offload application. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. Click on offload app and then reinstall the application. So it will install the latest version of Snapchat. So if there is any issue related to the application, that would be resolved and you'll be able to log into your account. If the issue is still there, then it might be because of VPN configuration. So simply go back and click on VPN in device management and disconnect your VPN. However, if the issue is still there, then you can head over to any of the search engine. For example, I have opened Safari and type in Snapchat unlock account. And then you gotta click on unlock over here. Once you do so, simply type in your username and password. Sometimes it might take 48 hours to help you get your account back, so simply be patient. If the issue is still there, then you can simply head over to Snapchat support and click on Snapchat support, and over here you gotta scroll down, click on I can't access my account. Then you gotta click on my account is locked and then take the measures that it asks you to take. You can also go to your email and type in this email to them stating that you have purchased a second-hand phone and there might be any issue with the device earlier that you didn't know and you tried logging into your Snapchat. So just simply ask Snapchat to help you out and they will respond you with the measures that you should take. So that's basically how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.